Welcome to DS Core Plan. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to save time and get quicker from scanning to a simulated treatment result that engages your patients during your aligner consultation. We've significantly reduced the preparation and loading time of treatment scans for orthodontic treatments and enhanced the simulation aesthetics and indication precision. To start, let's create an aligner treatment. Begin by taking a treatment scan with PrimeScan 2. The processing of the treatment scan starts as soon as the scan is completed, ensuring that the rendering and segmentation are done by the time you open the simulator. This eliminates unnecessary waiting time. Next, open the SureSmile Simulator. By completing the calculation of the scan before you open the simulator, we reduce the time needed for the creation of the 3D model, allowing for a more fluid experience. In the SureSmile Simulator, we've enhanced precision based on scans from all scanners. This includes improved bite class measurements that impact the angles class and case complexity indication. Additionally, we have enhanced the simulation aesthetics. These updates help provide you and your patients with a more accurate treatment plan and simulation. And that's it! Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new features and functionalities for DS Core Diagnose, Plan, and Make. Thank you for watching.